Hey booze, it's December 2nd. I'm back with Vlogmas number 2. I told y'all I was going to be doing these videos, okay? I know I'd be lying, but I wasn't lying this time. So I did get most of everything cleaned and sorted out and everything, but somebody commented on my last video that a clean with me would be cool. You would like to see that, so boom, I'm gonna do like a mini little clean with me. And yeah, like I said in the last vlog, I have something exciting today. I'm not gonna spill the tea yet. I'm not gonna spill the tea yet. You just gotta keep watching. Period. Periana. It's like, nah. But I'm about to set the camera up so y'all can see me clean a little bit. Actually, let me show you guys what I'm working with, because so I cleaned my bed area. You know, it's looking a little better. I would still want to get something for this drawer because I don't like how you could just see through it. So I think I want to put bins in there or something. I don't know. Don't mind the clothes on my bed. I was looking for my outfit today. This appears like a little bit of a hot mess. Office space, I got it a little bit more clean. These are just, I don't even know what that is, but I have to clean. So I'm just gonna clean like I said, and you guys are gonna see that. Look at these sticker sheets. They're so cute. You get a free sticker sheet with your purchase if you spend $50 or more, and these are only $5 if you want to purchase it. Always gotta have a lip gloss in my workspace. This one is Hope. You can't really see it, but it says Hope right there, and it has butterflies in it. It's an iridescent blue color. Real cute. Real cute. There's the after. I still want to get something for all of these wires, and also I want to get something to cover my table because it is kind of old. It has like a lot of spots on it. Now I'm gonna clean my room. Y'all, I have two gray sweats. I don't know which one to wear. I have a champion one, and then this one is just one that I got from Charlotte Russe. But this is the shirt, so I'm about to see which one matches it the best. I think this one. I'm gonna just try on both after I get out the shop, because I don't know. Y'all, so something that I like to do is I like to set up like everything for after I get out the shower. So my deodorant, my lotion, my perfume, everything. So I'm just gonna set it up on my ottoman right here. I might bring this bag, but I'm not too sure yet. Today's really like a mad chill day, and it's mad cold, so like, yeah, I'm trying to fit the vibe. It's the Bring My Collection lip gloss for me. So this is my room. Excuse the ring light in the way, but yeah. All right, now I'm about to get ready to get in the shower, and I'm gonna do everything that I need to do. I didn't even wash my face today, and like, look, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna do my skincare routine. You already know from vlog 1. I like to tie my bonnet up. I'm gonna start off with fresh, clean hands. This is what the cleanser looks like. I always tell everybody to shake it up beforehand because it is organic and separation is very natural with this product. My lemon honey foaming facial cleanser and my face brush. gonna exfoliate my lips with my this is my cotton candy lip scrub. Yeah. Ooh, this light. Oh, I just figured out a ooh. This light though. So yeah, I just scooped some of the lip scrub out with my nail. Put it on the opposite hand. And I do this to break up the sugar a little bit. I'm using a little on my face to get the dead skin off around these dark marks that I have. All right, y'all, so I don't know if you guys could tell or y'all been peeping me on Snap or what, but my teeth are getting closer. I have braces. I didn't tell you guys because like I wasn't really uploading to begin with, so but yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth. I just thought I should tell you guys that because I wanted to know, do you guys want like me to take you guys through the journey with me, or what? Do you guys want more videos on how does it work or whatnot? Let me know. But I'm on month, I think 2 or something like that. But yeah, I'm on month 2, eyeliner 6. So yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that. This is the toothpaste that keeps my teeth white. Optic White toothpaste. All right, now I'm gonna clean my ears. I don't clean my ears every day. I clean them like once a week, but I feel like I need to start. Hold on. I'm so mad y'all was just gonna let me like have chapped lips this whole time. Nobody was gonna tell me. But girl, I don't even know what I was saying anymore. Oh yeah, I clean my ears once a week. I feel like I should start cleaning them more, because especially like in the drier months, my ears just be having dead skin everywhere. I know it sounds gross, but like you're human, so I know what happens to one of you guys. Don't make me feel like a weirdo. Nah, but yeah, I have a trick for you guys. For people's ears that like get extra skin, they get crusty, whatever, I have a trick that I like to do that I noticed it helps. And I'm gonna show y'all after I clean this ear. So you need a Q-tip and you need Vaseline oil. So I'm gonna just get a little bit. And then I'm just gonna put it all around, like just all on my ear. This is gonna help keep your ear moisturized. I did not know that ears could get dry until my ears just started bugging out, like, yeah, I just thought, what can I do? And I put this on one day and it worked. And your ears will smell good. Not that that's the goal here. Not that people should be smelling your ears either, but you know. I like to get this piece too, like where my ear connects to my face, because that part, like at least once every 2 months is so weird. This part of my ear gets really itchy on both sides, and I get like a cut from scratching. Yeah, I don't know if I'm giving out too much information, but honestly, what else are you guys here for? Y'all want to be in my business, so I'm gonna put y'all in my business. Like, nah, I'm just kidding, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm at my towel. Of course, it's pink, right? My favorite color. I'm about to get in the shower now. All right, y'all. So I'm in the bathroom upstairs because the bathroom downstairs, the shower has a whole plumbing issue. And it's crazy because somebody's actually coming to fix it today, so. Yeah, I'm in the upstairs bathroom. I'm gonna get in the shower, then I'm gonna get dressed and everything, and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. So I got out the shower, I'm dressed now. It's like literally so typical that I would put on black. Yeah, I saw my outfit was completely gray before and I just switched it. Now I'm gonna use my Rosé raindrops. I gotta decide which lashes I want to wear today. I'm gonna wear these ones because they're giving me more of a natural vibe, and I'm not trying to do too much today. So I'm gonna use my lash glue and my tweezers to apply my lashes. These are in the style Jasmine, by the way. Yeah, these are in the style Jasmine. They are on sale for $10 right now. My whole website is actually up to 80% off right now, so make sure you guys check that out. Go shop. I think today or tomorrow might be the last day for that sale, because I'm gonna have a different one. I have been obsessed with these lashes lately. Like lately, these are the only lashes that I wear, which is so crazy because a few months ago I couldn't see myself wearing lashes this calm. But now I can't get enough, like. Oh no, y'all, I just got black on my eyelid. I always like to squeeze my natural lashes and the false lashes together, so my lashes stay on and I know they're not gonna fly off. And I'm gonna just push my lashes up so that they sit nice and pretty. Wow. Yeah, before they dry, you gotta push them up. Thank you, Effortless Crown, for this bonnet. I'm still using it to this day. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna have to purchase another one because I didn't stretch the life out of this bonnet. Like, I'm gonna have to get another one. But now it's time to do my hair. Yeah, I love frontals so much. wanted to change my earrings too. So I'm gonna do that while I'm here. It's this light for me. This light be making me look good and not doing too much. Alright, y'all, I'm about to call my friend again to see what is going on because I'm about to get tight. My friend was asleep when I called him. Like, how are you asleep? And we had whole plans to go out. Like, he almost ruined the plans, yeah. But he's up. He's on his way to me now. This is why I need to drive, okay? Because then I wouldn't have to wait on him. Waves on Swim, so they hate on him. But yeah, y'all, my bag is packed and everything. I'm actually waiting on some food right now, but I don't know if it's gonna come in time before I have to leave. So I might not eat today because I didn't eat all day today, and I'm doing this thing where I don't eat after 8. So I might not eat today. Or I might just eat one thing, but like after 8, because what? I'm so happy my food came. I didn't leave yet, which is annoying because I have a whole appointment, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy I get to eat. I didn't eat all day. Like, I literally did not eat all day. I ate nothing and I just drank water. Like, that's normal. So I'm about to eat. Hopefully my friend hurries up. Like, I'm so mad right now, bro. I'm so mad. It's just the principle of certain things that could easily get me upset. Like, anyways, I'm about to eat. I just wanted to show y'all my food. This is a New Orleans jambalaya. It is so good, y'all. It's spicy. I love spicy. Y'all, I ate that entirely too fast just now. Like, it's to the point where I dropped the light. Like, the light is on the floor. I dropped my aligners somewhere. Like, and I cannot see on top of that. If I got it, then tell me I got it then. Period. No, but for real, like, where's my aligners, bro? And I'm scared I'm gonna step on them. Like, please no. Anyways, my friend is on his way. I'm still upset because it's like I had an appointment at 6. It's about to be 6:20. I already called in and said I was going to be like 20 minutes late, but like I should have said more time. Wow, it was right in front of my face this whole time. Found it. Wow. So yeah, now I'm about to brush my teeth and put my aligners back on. I'm so ready to go. So yeah, I'm home. Oh, who, me? Did I just get tatted? Yes. Yes. Yes, I did. It's the details for me. So I'm home, y'all. But this video is going to go up a little late, and I apologize for that. But it's literally going to go up today on the 3rd. And I'm going to give y'all a 3rd vlog as well. So don't be mad at me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. What type of challenges you guys want to see. Anything like that. I have some business videos coming you guys' way. And I can't wait to upload them and everything so that you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, y'all, I'll see you on the next video. Later.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute.